YouTube, I've got a little cutie to show you. I went ahead and I took it out of the mailer. It was actually mailed to me in just an envelope, which kills me, but I'm gonna cross my fingers and hope it's all okay. So without further ado, my name's Erin. I'm with the Handbag Housewife, and I am going to do a little unwrapping, I guess you could say. Alrighty, I got this for a steal. It was on the Saks website for $138.25, and I actually called Bloomingdale's and they price matched it. So look at this. Oh my goodness. She is just teeny tiny. She's gorgeous, but she is so small. I knew she was small. But when I saw Amy Elizabeth, and I'll link her video below, when I saw her do the video on this little bag and show how much it could fit, I was really surprised. And I don't think I'll probably want to get more than one of this particular style. I have two of the regular size Pillow Tabby 26s, and they hold everything I need. But when I say I don't think I'll probably get more of this particular style, I mean the Pillow Tabby 18, because it is so little. But my goodness, she packs a punch. Look at that beautiful gray leather on the interior. I will say that the leather on this bag, it's very soft, but it feels like it will be much more durable in this metallic coating than it does in the Napa leather with just the plain color applied, like I have for the 26. In the 26, I've got the color Taffy, and I also have the color Ivory. And they're both beautiful colors, but with the leather being as smooth as it is, I really do think that they are probably a little bit more prone to marking and showing small imperfections. Although some of that you can kind of buff out with your finger if you end up getting a little scratch. But this, I'm gonna see if I can kind of zoom in. It almost has a little bit of texture to it. I don't know if it will even show, but I tend to get the most to show when I put it at an angle. And what I'm seeing is little crinkles and texture, and that is a good thing, because then if you put a little crinkle like a scratch in it, it's just not gonna show up to the same degree as when you've got an absolutely perfectly smooth surface. So here she is. I got her unwrapped, and I got the beautiful chain that Lady Amy Elizabeth recommended, and I'm going to go grab that super quick. I'll be right back. So here is the style number and the original price. And again, I got this bag for $138.25. And I also got on Amazon, and I got this chunky chain. Now Amy, she got the larger of the two of these chunky chains. But for me, I went with the more petite version. They did accidentally send me one of the colors because, of course, I ordered like every color they had, except for maybe one. They accidentally sent me one of the colors in the larger size, so I did get to see it. But I do prefer the smaller size clips, like here, on my bags, my more petite bags. So I went ahead with a smaller one. And then I've got like just a little gray sweatsuit outfit on. So I'll show you, like, just like with her, it's almost like a fanny pack height. You see, here's my waist. So it's super cute, and you could put the little top handle on and just have it hanging in the front if you wanted, or you could not do that, or you could get a smaller chunky chain and just carry the chain on its own. So there's my little beauty. You saw the mod shot, and I was kind of trying to explain that you could also probably get like a little pearl chain and use it as a top handle instead if you wanted to. I have some coming from Samorga that I'll give a try with this bag whenever they come, and I think that that'll be a lot of fun too. But for now, I really like how Amy wore it in her video best, and so that's probably what I'll do. I'll use this chunky chain with this little top handle, and that'll do it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will catch up with you real soon. Please like my channel if you like this video, and subscribe. Have a great day. Thanks.